coming this way, Jen.
Hello, well, we've been talking about it all week long. We've got this wintry mix of snow, mix, and rain moving in tomorrow. And of course, the timing is everything. Right now, you look outside. And good afternoon. Enjoy the sunshine. We got a lot of it out there right now, but a winter storm is lurking. Track, timing, and details coming up. And good afternoon. All is quiet right now. You can see on satellite and radar absolutely nothing, with just a few high wispy clouds from time to time. Now those clouds will be thickening up ahead of our next system, and so far we do not have any alerts for our area. But if you notice just off to the west of us, winter weather advisories and also winter storm warnings. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a winter weather advisory issued for much of our northern counties only. That's where we're going to see a couple inches of snow in spots. So here's a look at current conditions. Hey, this is a change. We've got colder air in our area. So as this moves in, it'll likely start off as snow. But the timing has changed a bit. It's kind of moved up. So instead of getting here at like 3 in the morning, it's going to start to move in around midnight. So that's going to allow tomorrow afternoon to have more of the rain mixing in, which of course is going to cut down on some of the numbers. So here's a look at what's going on right now. Absolutely nothing. You've got temperatures mid to upper 30s to the north, mid 40s to the south, sunshine galore until we get after sundown, and then we've got the clouds increasing. Now I'm stopping it after midnight, and you can see it here already in our western areas. Anywhere you see the deeper shades of purple, or blue, that's where you've got the heavier or more intense snow. This is 7 o'clock. Much of our northern counties dealing with that. That's going to put down a quick coating to a couple inches of snow for the commute, especially out towards the west. So that's going to have some problematic issues for the morning commute. Now you go to the south of that and look at the rain. That rain snow line has moved more to the north, and that's going to continue to push to the north here as we head towards our lunch hour. It's going to be a fine line between that heavier snow and changing over to rain. Northern communities staying in with the snow for most of this time. We get a break and then we transition over to lake effect snow after sundown on Friday. That's going to continue Friday night into early Saturday before finally shutting down, and that's where we're going to get the most amounts here. So how much snow are we going to get tonight by the time you wake up tomorrow morning? This is through 7 a.m. You can see a coating of snow on the ground for much of the area. Remember that Saturday morning when we had that coating to 1 to 2 inches, it made a mess. So your commute could be tricky. The western areas, we could be waking up to 2-3 inches of snow on the ground. Now, how much on top of that as we go through the day and then as we get into lake effect? Lake effect communities will likely have that 5 to 8 inch range, 3 to 5 inches north. And I think I'm going to move some of these totals to the north here because, like I said, that rain was going to start mixing in pre-noon. So we're looking at, I'd say, around 1 to 2 inches, the Akron area, and then you go to the south, little to no accumulation expected. So 38 to 46 degrees today. Enjoy the sunshine, mid 40s to the south, of course. Tonight, 31. That snow develops. We'll likely wake up to a coating to upwards of 2. And then tomorrow, we've got 36 to 42. General amounts will be between 2 to 5 inches to the north. You go to the south, and there's where we got that range of a trace to 2. All right, so looking ahead, once that's done, as we head into this next week.
Yeah, well, maybe we can get it out of the way because St. Patrick's Day is around the corner too in a week.
Yeah.
Okay, I will tell you this, we're not going to have 70s and sunshine for St. Patrick's
like we have in the past.
I mean, we had a lot of those parades that were quite nice.
Yeah.
Just watching to see if we're going to have any kind of mixed precip with that. But right now it's looking like temperatures right around 40 for St. Patrick's Day.
Then that's not horrible. It's also been worse than that.
Yep.
So.
Exactly.
Thank you, Jen.
Right, thanks.
So giving her father the gift of life.
About to end. Dun, dun, dun. Big changes coming, and Jen's got all the details for us. Hey, Jen.
Oh yeah, we've been waiting all winter for this, and now it's meteorological spring, and we're talking spring snow. Okay, here's a look at your timeline. We've got the snow developing tonight after midnight. So what you can expect in the morning, definitely snow around. It could be intense at times, meaning coming down about 1 inch an hour. So that's going to make for some tricky travel for the morning commute. A quick 1 to 3 inches expected in our northern communities. To the south, this is where it's going to be mixing and then changing over to rain. So really not expecting much in the way of accumulation there. Afternoon, additional accumulations to the north as this low continues to pass by our area. Blustery and colder. And then in the evening, the actual system snow will be exiting the area and lake effect snow will kick up. That's going to continue into Friday night and early Saturday morning. So the low is positioned off to the west of us. It is moving due east. It'll be right at this spot. So right in Stark County, the center of circulation around our lunch hour tomorrow. And you can see snow to the north, rain to the south of it. So we are nice and quiet at the moment. Our temperatures right now, enjoy it. We've got upper 30s to the north to low 40s to the south. It's mid 30s in Willoughby right now, 39 in Twinsburg, 37 in Amherst, and then Massillon checking in at 42. Over the next 24 hours, here it comes. The snow ramps up after midnight, and that's going to continue through the morning commute. Temperatures at this time will be in the mid 30s. South will likely be in the lower 40s. So here's your snowfall futurecast once again. Northern communities, general amounts between the 3 to 5 inches, with the exception of our snow belt. Once that lake effect kicks in, then we're going to add more to it. To the south, you find more 2 inches or less, the lesser amounts as you go more to the south. Back to you.
All right, thank you.
Well, we're reviving Old Man Winter. From sunshine that you see right now, this shot is going to look so much different tomorrow at this time, more so a winter wonderland. Details coming up.
Continue to monitor the asteroid and update predictions as more data comes in. So just pray until then.
Yes.
2046.
And stay tuned to these guys.